have an elastic collision. The energy coming in isn't dissipated at all. It just goes back to the object and then it bounces off.
Okay. Like a ball.
Like a ball.
Right.
Balls are elastic collisions. So think about it. If you line up a bunch of balls and you drop them, some will bounce higher than others.
Right.
If you just hold the ball at a certain height, let it go, it will drop and come up to some percent of that height. The more elastic the collision is, the higher up it'll come relative to where you dropped it. For every bounce, it gets lower and lower and lower and lower and lower until it doesn't bounce anymore.
Okay.
All right. These are all elastic collisions.
Yeah.
An inelastic collision is two hot marshmallows meeting over the fire.
Wow. Nothing like hot marshmallow love.
They'll stick together.
They
don't bounce.
No, exactly.
They don't bounce off each other.
Right.
Okay, so whatever energy they had going in, it stays.
Stays right there.
Stays right there. That would be an inelastic collision.
Okay.
Two cars in a head-on collision, both of them crumple up.
Right.
And then there they are. This has two balls in it.
I have a little pouch with two balls too.
Moving on.
Okay.
Moving on. These balls are otherwise identical in size.
Look at that. Yep.
One of them is elastic and the other one is inelastic.
Really?
Yes. Here I go.
Okay.
I take one. I drop it.
Bounces.
Bounces.
No problem.
This ball, however.
Which looks identical.
Yes. In every other way.
Oh. Dead. That we would call that a dead basketball back in the day.
Yeah, but
a dead ball.
Right, but it feels the same as the other ball.
Exactly. Look at that.
There it is. What that means is it has kinetic energy coming in.
Right.
Where'd the energy go?
That's what I was about to ask.
So some energy went to the board.
Right.
Other energy went back into it.
Back into
so
the
if
ball.
I kept doing this like a million times, this will get hotter and hotter and hotter.
Oh, because it's absorbing its own energy.
Its own kinetic energy
goes back in, and so it heats it up because the energy is being reabsorbed. That's pretty dope.
It's dope.
It's
dope.
That's kind of cool.
And other things that would clearly do this, but we don't even think about it. If you take gum and drop it, it'll just stick to gum doesn't bounce. Right. So a lot of things a pillow.
Same thing.
Pillows don't bounce.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. But it's more obvious what's going on there. They're squishy and the energy just gets dissipated inside.
So when our moon was created.
Well, you remember that. This Mars-sized protoplanet sideswipes Earth.
Right.
Actually, some of it keeps going, but the debris that gets kicked up, there's energy that got deposited not only in the